See what I have been bought for you.
Oh, what is it?
This is a magical map. I always carry it with myself. Now I am going to give this to you. You have to help me to find out the resurrection stone which is placed somewhere in our civil engineering department.
Yes, we will definitely help you to find it.
I know that it is not easy to peep out into this map. You have to use some magical spell to find out it. Now anyone from a pitch know about the spell? What is it?
Yes, now everyone should repeat after me. I solemnly swear that I am up to no good.
Wow, amazing. So let's get started with our departmental journey.
We welcome all the freshers to Walton College of Engineering Sangli and mainly to the Civil Department. We are glad to tell you that Civil Department is the oldest department of our college and has been established since 1947.
दोस्तों मैजिक किसे पसंद नहीं है? In our childhood, every one of us has imagined ourselves into a magical world.
In the same way, this tour is going to be a magical one.
The first and foremost, we are going to visit those large classrooms where you will feel yourself with some cool technical stuff.
Classroom without students look like a body without soul. So let's step into the prestigious Walchens Castle.
This is surveying lab. Equipments are kept here. For example, chaining equipments, tripod, ranging rod, staff, etc.
Small classroom where all practicals are discussed first. अब हम जाएंगे हमारे ग्राउंड पर.
It's a huge thing that a permanent benchmark is present at the bottom of our college. Here we conduct all our surveying practicals.
This is the construction engineering laboratory. The testing of all the construction materials is carried out here.
I remember the part of Harry Potter where the big snake used to flow through the pipes. Basilisk, right? अब वैसा कुछ तो नहीं दिखाने वाला ना तुम हमें?
I wish I could scare you by showing something like that, पर हमारे पाइप में सिर्फ पानी बहता है और इसकी पढ़ाई हम यहाँ फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स के लैब में करते हैं.
All the fluid mechanics practicals are done here in this biggest lab of WCE. All the required irrigation and canal models are kept here.
CCF, that is Civil Computing Facility. Here we learn all the softwares related to civil engineering. CESA conducts AutoCAD workshop here.
This is our soil mechanics lab where various types of soil samples are tested.
Oof,
This door seems to be locked. अब क्या करें?
Yes, don't you remember? Today we are in partially magic world. So to open this door, we all have to say Alohomora. We all have to say it together. Otherwise, the door won't open. So say it together.
Good job, Effies. This way we can go anywhere.
As we know, civil engineers created marvels to make travel and transport convenient. We learned transportation engineering in this lab.
And this is that laboratory where practicals related to transportation engineering are done.
This is the lab for carrying out experiments on wastewater, sewage treatments, and other environmental issues.
It is our pride to know that Civil Department is the only department in WC which has its own library.
तो मन लगाकर पढ़ना.
This is the geology lab. A large number of rocks and mineral specimens are kept here.
अरे वो क्या है? Is it the same stone that Harry was talking about?
अरे हाँ, यही वो तो यही है. So let's take it and give it to him. He will be so happy.
The lectures for postgraduate students are conducted over here.
चलो अब अगली रूम में जाते हैं.
This is the huge hall where all kinds of engineering drawings are drawn. This hall has the capacity of 300 students at a time. Isn't it incredible?
This is the Civil Department Seminar Hall. All the meetings and discussion related to Civil Engineering Department are conducted here.
Now we have shown you all parts of our department where we can study and learn.
हाँ यार, इतनी बड़ी बड़ी लैबोरेटरीज एंड लाइब्रेरी देख के तो हम चौंक गए.
और अब बारी आती है उस दिलदार जगह की जहां हम सब बैठ के गपशप करते हैं. वो है सिविल कट्टा.
And now, this is the most favorite place of a students in Civil Engineering Department. That is our Civil Katta. Here we do the submissions of various assignments here, and here we do the lot of fun and enjoy. So let's enjoy this place when you come to the offline college.
So, this is the place where we chill with our friends and complete our notes.
I know you all are excited to visit our college.
आप सबको असली वाली ट्रिप तो नहीं दे सके, बट आई होप इस वर्चुअल ट्रिप से आप सबको अंदाज़ा आ गया होगा कि हमारा सिविल डिपार्टमेंट कितना शानदार है.
Yes, सच में ये शाम शानदार होने वाली है.
Hello guys, did you find anything?
Yes, here it is. We found it.
Oh, thank you so much. You helped me a lot to succeed in my first adventurous tour. Thank you so much. You all done very well. Thank you so much, Effies, for watching our video. Hope we will meet soon in offline mode.
Yay!